I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the basics fast. Open the Capcut project and locate the clip or layer where the graph should appear. Make sure the source file matches the timeline resolution, for example 1920 by 1080, and that the track is not hidden or muted. Once done, check import type, image, PNG sequence, or video, because Capcut handles each differently. If it's an animated graph, confirm the frame rate aligns with the project settings before moving to layering. Next, you arrange the graph on the timeline. Drag it to a top layer so overlays don't cover it, and expand the clip to the intended duration. Then, inspect opacity and blending. Set opacity to 100% and use normal blend to eliminate unintended transparency. Make sure any transform scale or position values haven't moved the graph off-screen. Also, scan keyframes. A stray position keyframe can hide the graph, so delete or correct them. Once stable, preview the segment. Finally, render a short preview or export a 5–10-second clip to confirm the graph appears in output. This verifies playback versus editor display. If it's still missing, clear Capcut cache and restart the app because temporary glitches often block visual layers. Make sure to re-import the graph file or convert it to a different format, for example PNG for static graphs or MP4 for animations, then reapply. Tip: if problems persist, test the file in a new project. This isolates corrupt project settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.